Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Srileka Akash. Today in this video, I'm just going to share my experience about this Aveeno Skin Relief Menthol Smoothing Lotion. So this is the cream. When I used it for a very first time on my skin, I felt like and I was applying an ointment on my skin. This made me feel like very cool for the reason that it has a menthol content, obviously. So the thing is that this is the best cream if you have a irritated skin. So I seriously feel like this is the best cream if you have a irritated skin. If suppose you would have used any of the wrong products in your morning skincare routine, then your skin barrier would get damaged and that will cause mild irritation. So what happens is like you can use this within a jiffy to get rid of that irritation. Actually, this helps you to repair your skin. That is what mainly this cream does. So you can use this to get relief and you can repair your skin using this cream. This is very good cream because what happened is I was trying many creams these days and I have used a wrong product on my skin. So within a jiffy I used this. So I have seen and a very good experience using this. So this is very good actually. If you have a mild irritation, so I am not talking about if you have a skin allergy, then you have to see a dermatologist. So your skin allergy can't be get rid of this. If you have a mild irritation, I was just talking about this. If you are doing any DIY, if that irritates your skin, there will be a burn in your skin, then you can go for this cream. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye, take care.